Hi, guitar players. This lesson we're going to talk about how to practice and what to practice, and basically get the basics in when you pick up the guitar for the first time during the day. Instead of going right to a song and try to really get that song down, limber up a little bit. Like if you go to the gym, you want to warm up your muscles a little bit so you don't hurt them by just going right into the heavy weight or whatever you do when you go to the gym. Same thing applies here to guitar playing and how you practice and what you practice. So of course the first thing you do is you tune up your guitar and make sure everything is in tune. And the next thing is you want to kind of exercise your fingers and your picking a little bit and get them limbered up so when you start working on your songs, you're kind of getting into it and everything is warmed up. For an example, if you want to warm up your left hand and get your picking to go with it, you might just want to stretch out and go across the picks, the frets like this. And back. And do that all the way up the fretboard. Continue all the way up the fretboard. So that way your hands, your fingers are getting all exercised and warmed up and your picking is coinciding with it. And there's another thing that you should watch for, getting clean notes. For example, if you take your index finger and you put, let's say, on the C note right here, and if you have it too far back, hear that buzz? It's not a clean note. You want to keep it in the middle or a little bit forward towards the front part of the fret. Now that also has to do with when you're playing chords. Let's say you want to play an E bar chord, and let's say you just put your fingers down and you get, it's terrible, right? Well, first of all, your finger here was way too far back, and you want to move it up here, you want to move that up there, and you want to make sure everything is nice and clean and in the right place. Now you get all the notes, and they're nicely clean, right? So you might want to practice that as well. And of course, putting your thumb in the back, middle of the back of the neck helps your leverage on your chords. So you should just kind of go up and down the fretboard and make sure all your chords are clean. Okay, that's not clean. And so on. So that's another exercise you should work on, right? Those are for bar chords. And then of course, if you're trying to remember like a song, let's say you're using like a G and a D and a C, you may want to practice those three chords. After a while, you get nice and clean and easy with them. And again, it's muscle memory. It's getting your hands to kind of remember where those fingers should go for each of those chords. So again, stretch out your fingers, get your picking to coincide with going up and down the fretboard. All the way up. And so on. That's a very good thing to do every day. Take 5-10 minutes and just do that. And then you're ready to get into a lesson where you want to learn a particular song. So I hope this is helpful. If it was helpful, give me a like. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. And then I'll see you on the next lesson. Have a great day.